I stumbled into a not so unfamiliar place where the air is thick with nostalgia and every corner feels like home. The trees, like old friends, stretch their limbs towards the sky, welcoming me back with open arms, like a mother cradling her child in a warm embrace. As the light filters through the branches, it casts dappled shadows that dance upon the forest floor, each one a playful reminder of childhood joy. Each step I take echoes with memories, whispers of laughter, and quiet moments spent in nature's gentle embrace, nurturing me like a soft lullaby. Here, the world fades away and time seems to stand still. I can almost hear the heartbeat of the earth, steady and soothing, wrapping around me like a tender caress. And this sanctuary, I rediscover fragments of myself, lost yet familiar, woven into the very fabric of these woods. Every rustle of leaves and chirp of a bird feels like a lullaby, inviting me to lay down my burdens, to surrender them to the earth as she cradles my spirit. I feel her presence, caring, offering solace like a mother, soothing her child to sleep. I am free. I can breathe peacefully. I am finally home.